You can call it whatever you want. It is still a form of tattooing. I absolutely love the concept of giving this freedom to a woman to be able to wake up, not look like they had a ton of makeup, but yet looks very fresh and very natural.
I have gotten tattoos. I have quite a few. 2 on my wrists. I have a little ghost, and I have 2 stick and pokes that my friend did. One on the back of my ankle, it's an evil eye, and the other a silhouette of a woman's body. I am a little hesitant and concerned that I am getting a tattoo on my eyelid. My name is Claudia, and I'm getting permanent eyeliner today. Doing my makeup every day is sometimes a little bit of a struggle. When I'm running from appointment to another appointment, I don't really want to have to worry about maintaining my looks.
I started doing this back in the late 80s in Paris. I really love the concept of a woman looking beautiful and not having to put makeup, but I really didn't like the results because everything was so obvious and unnatural. I actually found that it was disfiguring the real freshness of youth. I found a way to give the woman that concept without making her look like she had done anything. Bonjour, je m'appelle Dominique Bossavy, je suis la créatrice du concept de la beauté naturelle permanente. Some of my Elise clients include Lena Dunham, Jenna Dewan, Julie Bowen, Michelle Williams, and Megan Fox.
When I first found out about Dominique, I was so fascinated. I loved the work that she did with her other clients and how incredible it just made the eye pop. I'm going to a wedding tomorrow, and I'm definitely going to feel very flawless and fabulous after this whole procedure.
Overdoing permanent makeup is never a good idea. The number one advice I give to my client is to go for the youthful look rather than the glamorous look. If you go that way permanently, you'll never have that opportunity to look fresh again. There are different techniques and different tools for different procedures. For the eyeliner, we will use a less invasive needle that will be very gentle to the fine skin. It's very important to seek out a qualified expert. With this procedure becoming such a trend, a lot of people with as little as a month's training are offering this service. The percentage of unhappy women who come to me in the hope to get fixed is rising. And it's heart-wrenching to see the damage that's been done to those women, and the disfiguration sometimes is beyond repair.
I think there are definitely some misconceptions around permanent makeup because there are those horror stories. My biggest fear is I hope it doesn't bleed or fade or possibly not fade if I don't keep up with going in for retouches.
I could do this, my eyes closed. Do you want me to show you? No. This is gonna be a piece of cake. First, I am going to clean the area. I then place a little numbing cream with a Q-tip. Once I put my magnifying glasses and gloves, then I will custom blend the pigment in the tray. I'm going to start very gently.
Please.
If there's anything, you tell me, I stop right away. We just want to create the illusion of thicker lashes. The little blade does the work and you hear a slight buzzing noise. Tiptoeing in to make the lightest puncture possible to implant the pigment in a gentle manner. The feeling range from feeling the vibration to a little scratch on their eyelashes. I go over each section 2 or 3 times. This will ensure the proper amount of pigment implanted into the lash line. After I completed the procedure on Claudia, my first reaction was how open her eyes became, but I felt that she could use a little bit more on the tail to give her that soft doe look. We went back and I added a little bit on the corner and it was just perfect. The great thing with this procedure is that right from the get-go, you can start racking up the compliments, go to a red carpet event, and nobody will ever know you had anything done to your eyes.
When I looked at the final results, it looked amazing. I didn't have any mascara on. My eyes instantly popped. I felt really beautiful and confident, and I owned who I was. It wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be. It was actually really relaxing. Dominique is really gentle, and I didn't feel a thing. All of the built-up anticipation and stress that I was creating in my head was for nothing.
It's extremely important to follow the aftercare to ensure a good result.
The permanent eyeliner has faded. It's practically gone, to be quite honest. But Dominique's technique is she does it lightly the first time around because she wants to see how your skin and your body reacts to the procedure, which I actually respect and appreciate because everyone's skin complexion and DNA is different. I'm actually going in next week when I return from my vacation to get the second round done, and I'm so excited because I enjoyed it so much the first time around that I can't wait to have it done the second time. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.